Hello, I'm Amr, Measurement and Control Product Specialist here at Amplicon. Today I have the chance to introduce you to the impressive functions and features of the new InfiniVision HD3 oscilloscope. Keysight has equipped the HD3 with technology previously only available in the high-performance Infini oscilloscopes, delivering the best signal integrity in its class. Key features include 14-bit ADC, just 50 microvolts RMS noise floor, 1.3 million waveforms per second update rate, up to 100 million point memory depth, and 200 MHz to 1 GHz bandwidth. Let's explore some of the next generation features in more detail. So, the portable HD3 comes in both versions, 2-channel and 4-channel. Today we're using the 4-channel option. With the new custom ASIC and 14-bit ADC, the HD3 provides 4 times the vertical resolution and half the noise floor of other oscilloscopes in its class, giving you a better signal representation and more accurate results. The HD3 incorporates Keysight's next generation ASIC, MegaZoom 5, inspired from the high-end series like the UXR and MXR scopes. This custom ASIC brings hardware-based functions like serial decoding, zone triggering, and mask testing, making your debugging process faster and more efficient. At the core of this oscilloscope is its impressive 14-bit analog-to-digital converter, providing 4 times the vertical resolution of 12-bit general scopes in the market. With more than 16,000 levels of conversion, you get ultra-smooth waveforms, superior signal fidelity without any jagged steps. The HD3 provides a low noise floor of just 50 microvolts, even at 1 GHz bandwidth, ensuring your signal is not masked by noise. Combine that with 1.3 million waveforms per second update rate and you can capture elusive glitches and transient signals with ease. Plus, with a memory depth of 100 million points, you'll be able to capture intricate signals for longer time periods, maintaining full sample rates for more accurate analysis. The HD3 isn't just any oscilloscope, it's a test instrument for every industry, whether you're working in general embedded design, aerospace and defense, power supply testing, automotive, or health care. You will find its capabilities invaluable. When you compare the HD3 to other oscilloscopes on the market, its upgradable bandwidth from 200 MHz to 1 GHz and 7-in-1 instrumentation sets it apart. It's not just an oscilloscope, it is a protocol analyzer, mixed signal scope, 100 MHz arbitrary waveform generator, frequency response analyzer, 3-digit voltmeter, and 8-digit counter with totalizer. Do you want to elevate your applications to the next level? Please visit our website or give us a call. Our team of Keysight experts will be eager to speak to you and give you more details on how the HD3 can help enhance your applications and drive your success. Thank you for watching.